guys, welcome back to the Air Precision Mod Shop. We're here with a eBay cold air intake review. So it's about 56 bucks. My stock airbox was cracked, so this was cheaper to do it this way. Top hat's pretty thin. It was kind of a bitch to get that lined up. Once you take that off though, you'll see that there's a certain way that clamp has to go on. Once you figure that out, it's pretty good. Silicone connections are pretty thin. Hose clamps kind of suck. This bracket does not line up pretty much at all. No matter how you try to turn that, it doesn't make the bend for that to line up. I think it might actually be welded in the wrong spot. A lot of people said that's where it fails though. It'll break at that mounting point. So, I don't know, it's doing alright how it is. So, the box here, if you're putting this together, the folds go on the outside. It took me a minute to figure that out, so it will go together either way. This had to be moved. Let's see if we can, yeah, this had to be moved over a little bit. Now, if you'll be able to see right around underneath the filter here, there's a bolt that goes through. See if I can see it here. I had to use my own. This right here. I had to use my own, which was easy enough. Just find one that fits. This rear mounting point is right here. At first, I was a little afraid to close the hood because it does stick up quite a bit, but it seems to be alright. No issues as far as that. Did have a handful of extra screws when I was done. I have no idea where they would go. None of them fit any of the holes really. Only thing I had to get was that hose, the breather hose there. Run from right there along the back, brought right to there. Had to buy the hose they give you isn't long enough. Some people say they made it work, but I don't know how you could. I basically bought 6 feet of it. It was like $5. I think it's I think it was 1/2 inch. I'm not positive, but just bring your old hose and match it up. It's about $5 in that. I think I only used about 3, maybe 3.5 feet. But it works pretty good. It sounds pretty decent. Like I said, I just did it so it didn't have the broken factory airbox. So, yeah. Alright guys, we'll catch you in the next one.